So today we're gonna look at King Ice's Gengar necklace. It's one of the most popular pieces in their brand, and at first I didn't want to buy it because there's way too many people that owns the piece already, but right now I think I kind of understand why a lot of people had bought this piece, so I'm excited to open it. Let's see it ourselves. Got a cool King Ice pouch over here. Good quality. Here's the big reveal. There he is. Just look at all the details of this one. I love it so much, especially the Pokeball. You can really tell that they work hard on this one. I don't know if it's mass produced, but it still looks very great. I only have my LED and the Halloween lights on, but as you can still see over here, the piece is still very, very shiny. And this is me wearing the necklace on. And oh my god, even if it's dark, you can still see it shining all over the place. I cannot wait to wear this outside. I'm so excited. And so yeah, I'll definitely buy more Pokemon related pendants or necklaces just because the quality looks really good and the price is pretty decent as well. So I'll see you guys on my next jewelry unboxing. See you there. Bye bye.